Have you ever encountered this situation? See the guides using all kinds of novel asset nodes efficiently achieve an effect. And when you operate it yourself, nothing was found in the node library. I don't know how to acquire the asset or already own assets, but I don't know how to install them. Don't worry. This lesson will answer all your questions. The first is SciDev X Labs Assets. It is free from Houdini, opens or comprehensive tools. It is also the most common asset package in Houdini. Includes a variety of digital assets and presets. It can greatly improve the production efficiency of Houdini users. It is also the easiest to install. When installing Houdini for the first time, the following options will pop up. Just take SciDev X Labs. This is my most recommended installation method. Of course, the official also provides independent installation packages. It can be installed separately later. However, I do not recommend this approach. Even so far, I also didn't use the standalone installation package to install them. If you have installed Houdini, labs are not ticked. My suggestion is to reinstall Houdini. Just take this option. The second is the individual artist, single node assets created by yourself. Its format includes the following four. I was in the previous course. I have also shared this type of asset that I have made. This type of asset is the easiest to install. Just put them in the document. Houdini 21. OTL S folder. If there is no such folder, just create one. Note that it doesn't have to be 21 here. It corresponds to the version you are using. For example, 20.5, 19.5 and so on. And the third is the individual artist, or the node toolkit launched by the studio. It consists of a series of asset nodes. Usually they unzip a configured text. Part clip. It is installed by unzipping to the folder. Put in the document. Houdini 21. In the Packages folder. If there is no such folder, create one manually. Then go to the folder of the toolkit. Find the JSON file. Copy it to the root directory of the Packages folder. Open with Notepad. Modify the code related to the location of the area. Copy the following string of code to location. Pay attention to the end. This is the place to fill in the name of the toolkit folder. In this place it is ALAB-1.2. Then save the file. Attention! Relative paths are used here. Due to the fact that everyone's computer, the location of the document is not the same. The main thing here is the administrator in the middle. May be different if you change to absolute path, then change the computer. This toolkit may not be able to read it, so relative paths are used here. This method is 100% problem minus free. I recommend several toolkits that beginners must install, including MOPS. Their download address. All can be found on GitHub. OPS is to package the most commonly used functions. It can be quickly implemented similar to C4G, the effect of dynamic graphics. I also used it frequently in previous courses. In addition, ALAB is also more commonly used. For example, importing SVG graphics. And it's demonstrated here. Filter with filter. It can reduce the shaking of objects. And QLab also uses a lot of toolkits. I will put the download link of the asset in the comment area. You can also get them directly in my study group. This is today's dry goods sharing. Hope it helps you. I am Tiny. Follow me to make Houdini learning easy.